Good morning, it's day 4 of our adventure to South Africa. Today we're flying to Egypt. We're going to fly to Marsa Matruh. We're going to clear customs there, and then onwards we're going to fly to October 6th airport in Cairo, which is a general aviation field with avgas.
So we've just been told that when you fly to Egypt, you must follow airways, and airways are used for IFR flights. We are flying VFR, which is kind of strange. So like Maud said, it's going to take us over the sea and then straight over the pyramids. Tiny little plane.
Alright, look at us, super snazzy, all uniformed up. Hey, you're missing your bars.
Yeah, I couldn't find them. I look so stupid. I hate flying in a suit. Oh! Clear prop.
Zulu uniform Sierra Hotel Whiskey. The wind is from 300 degrees 20 max gas 30 knots. Runway 23 is free.
Runway 23 is free. Copy the wind. Taking off now. Sierra Whiskey. Look at that crosswind, that's freaking crazy. I've never had to use my feet this much, just like a tail dragger takeoff. Goodbye, Sitia.
Zulu uniform Sierra Hotel Whiskey. Your departure time was 5 minutes. Next flight, safe landing, yes.
So initially we planned our flight at flight level 55, which is 5,500 feet. But looking at the flight wind predictor, 2,500 feet will give us a 15 knot tailwind, and 55 only 8 knots.
And we already have a 30 knot tailwind.
Which is ridiculous.
Crazy, we'll be there in like an hour. And it's strange to think that we are leaving Europe behind us, and in a bit we will see the coastline of Africa.
Woo!
And Africa is my favorite continent by far, so it's gonna be really good to be back.
So we've never been to Egypt or Sudan, the next 2 countries we'll be heading to. So it'll be really exciting to see new cultures and new environments. I've never been in a desert before.
Me neither. And what's also really exciting is that we will be meeting Monofi in Cairo today. And Monofi is a friend of mine that I met at 43 Air School in South Africa when I was doing my PPL flight training there. And what a surprise that we're going to see him now in his home country, in his city. And I think we're going to go out for dinner tonight and then go and do some touristy stuff with him tomorrow at the pyramids. And it's great to actually have people in the countries you visit that can show you how the locals experience it. So I'm excited.
Sierra Hotel Whiskey Matruh.
Go ahead for Sierra Whiskey.
Ma'am, remain on my frequency and you are clear to Matruh VR. No delay expected. Descend flight level 090. Next call 25 miles inbound.
Descent level 90. Next call 25 miles inbound. The airfield's in sight. And Sierra Whiskey passing overhead to the VOR.
Sierra Hotel Whiskey, report to final runway 33.
Report to final runway 33, next Sierra Whiskey. Okay, descent 2,500 feet. And vertical speed, let's bring it down. Shooting from Sierra Whiskey, final approach.
Sierra Hotel Whiskey inside, indicated wind 22009 knots, clear to land runway 33.
Clear to land runway 33, Sierra Whiskey.
Wow, there we are. A lot easier than yesterday.
Yeah.
Sierra Hotel Whiskey on ground at time 56, vacate runway via Foxtrot, and report follow me car inside.
Thank you, we'll vacate via Foxtrot and we'll follow the follow me car, Sierra Whiskey.
So important at this airport, it's mixed civil and military. So as we saw in these aircraft bunkers are fully loaded F-16. 06 is military, and the taxiways here are also military. So it's important to definitely leave at Foxtrot before we get into trouble.
Do we need? No. Oh. So it's been actually crazy easy so far. Like 25 people helped us just now, but we've got our passport back, got our visa stamped in. We're waiting for the handling agent to give us the final bill, and then I think we can, we have half an hour before our flight plan goes live, and then we can head to Cairo.
And everyone has been super nice. We're just not sure how much we have to pay for handling, but that's always the question. We are $921 lighter, 18,080 Egyptian pounds. It is what it is. It's horrible that it's cost so much money, but that's life, and we were told that it was going to be expensive, so feels weird just putting my MasterCard on the machine and losing that much money.
Yeah, so short and powerful stop. So only in 15 minutes time we are allowed to start up. So in the meantime, we're quickly gonna enjoy yesterday's leftovers, which we brought with us. So I think we'll quickly prepare ourselves for the next leg.
Head out. But to be fair, everyone was really nice here and very supportive, and I think there were like about 20 to 25 people inside working on our paperwork and watching us, and everyone needs to get paid, and they don't see very many people here, so I guess that's life. But let's have some lunch. I know that we've had a sandwich back here that we've been meaning to eat, and we have some Greek food.
Not too many points for the presentation, but
we do have lunch with a view, and I think an F-16 is starting up back there.
So we're getting an escort.
We've got about another 2 hours of flying, which is amazing, so we'll be in Cairo on time. Hopefully it'll go just as swiftly as it went here. Then we'll get picked up by the hotel shuttle. It's gonna be nice to have a day off tomorrow.
Sierra Hotel Whiskey Matruh Tower.
Go ahead for Sierra Hotel Whiskey.
Your flight plan, ma'am, exists at time 1030.
Oh.
Dus we gaan gewoon kunnen vervroegen.
Roger, is there any possibility to move it forward so that we can depart sooner?
Roger, stand by, I will try.
Thank you very much. Yes, then we are ready for taxi, Sierra Hotel Whiskey.
Confirm, follow me car inside.
Affirm.
Roger, follow me car.
Adios, expensive place.
Yeah.
Disregard follow me car and continue taxi straight ahead by taxiway Alpha, holding point runway 33, and they are clear to cross runway 24.
Sierra Hotel Whiskey, ready for departure, runway 33.
Sierra Hotel Whiskey, climb flight level 0995. After departure, turn right to intercept radial 071 from Mike Alpha VOR, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
Come wind cleared for takeoff. Thereafter, right turn to intercept radial 071 from Mike Alpha, Sierra Hotel Whiskey.
Turn this bugger on.
Let's go.
We're flying already.
Sierra Hotel Whiskey, airborne at time 31. Climb flight level 0995. Report establish radial 071.
Complete time, climb flight level 905, and we'll report established radial 071. We have seen enough of the Mediterranean Sea, and now in front of us we have the city of Alexandria. Look at all the ships there.
Yeah, lots of ships waiting in the harbor.
Completely different than what we saw at Marsa Matruh, and we didn't see very much of the coastline because we had to follow those airways pretty far over the sea. And I wanted Giza to see more, but I don't think they're going to be very happy about that.
It's so crazy to think that all the green we're seeing is all just because they irrigate water from the Nile outwards into the desert. Well, there's the Nile. You see it streaming there.
Wow! Okay, we got to see the Nile to the left of us, and like you said, it is so green down here. I just don't know where the pyramids are.
So we requested to fly over the pyramids, and he arranged that, except flight level 70. So a little bit high, and unfortunately the wing camera also stopped working, which is a bummer.
I think we'll probably see them on the right side. Oh, they're straight ahead of us!
Egypt 421, proceed direct to
Oh yeah!
1253 Alpha Salam.
Wow.
1253 RB.
So cool. This is really special. That was sick!
That was surreal.
And Sierra Hotel Whiskey request direct for Hotel Echo Oscar Charlie, if you can accommodate.
All right, ma'am. Now right turn direct to October.
Right turn direct October. Thank you, Sierra Hotel Whiskey.
That's my pleasure, ma'am.
Zulu Hotel Whiskey, descend 3,000 feet overhead, QNH now 1015.
Giza 3000 feet, QNH 1015, Sheraton Whiskey. Sheraton Whiskey, turning left 10 down, runway 01.
0 Hotel Whiskey, indicated wind 35010 knots, runway 01, clear to land.
Copy, wind clear to land, runway 01, Sheraton Whiskey.
Oh, those wheels spun up before touching.
That was a very turbulent approach, but I'm happy I just kept it for a little longer. Alrighty.
That was a lot less work than the landing in Greece, and it was a lot smoother as well. But I'm happy to be here, and it's really, really cool that we're constantly experiencing these different airfields, different terrain, and here was just massive desert. This runway, I couldn't even see it at first, and it was pretty busy, so you heard a lot of other traffic in the circuit, especially the Cessna 172s and I think the 182s that they use for training here. So I see everyone walking around in their uniforms, and we're part of it. But we talked to the handler here. He's organizing a taxi for us because this airport is like an hour drive from the city center and from the pyramids where our hotel is. So I don't think Ubers come here, and luckily he's handling it for us. For the rest, we also organized that we can get fuel. We'll need about 200 liters since we got the jerry cans that we're also gonna fill. And we also asked if it's possible to get fuel on Sunday, which he said is totally fine. So that's all sorted. Now I need to get the reflector back here. And it's so cute. We've been talking about getting a reflector for so long, and we forgot, of course. But then the taxi driver in Italy gave us one, and we wanted to pay, but he said, no, you can have it for free. Wow.
So we just drove past, but I'm pretty sure this is our hotel, and if you look below on the first floor, it's kind of sketchy. But above on the third floor, it looks quite nice.
Looks quite nice. Not too bad of a view. After grabbing an Uber at the hotel, we experienced rush hour traffic on our way to meet up with Farida and Manofi in the city center. They took us to a real, authentic, kosher restaurant to try Egypt's most famous street food dish, which costs only about $1 for a whole plate. The koshari dish consists of pasta, rice, brown lentils, and topped with tomato sauce and chickpeas, and it is absolutely delicious. We then ended the night at a rooftop bar for some local beers along the beautiful River Nile. So what is the plan for today?
So we're going to breakfast now, and then pyramids, and the tour guide's coming. And then we're gonna go to Khana Khalili probably. And then we're gonna eat somewhere nice.
Awesome!
Really specific taste, yeah.
Cheers! We are in the middle of downtown Cairo, and it is so chaotic. I think I almost got hit by like 4 cars. Had some fresh mango juice.
I've never been in an Arabic country, so it's so overwhelming. Seeing the traffic and the buildings and the culture, it's super special to be here and be guided by Manofi and Farida.
It's so crazy. That looks so good. streets of Cairo on the search for a convenience store slash supermarket to get some snacks and water and breakfast for tomorrow for our flight and before that, because we want to head to the airport nice and early. We'll be too late for the hotel breakfast and we want some snacks. We've decided we need some chips for our flight. We're craving salty snacks.
So far, we've only had fruit and muesli bars and sandwiches. I mean, it's important to have the right snacks during your flight.
Exactly, and it is like 8 p.m. We're on the road, and they said that it's a 2-minute walk to Carrefour, and we're feeling very safe on the streets of Cairo. But I'm feeling extra safe because I didn't bring anything but myself and my bodyguard. He loves going into supermarkets in other countries.
And good enough for our flight snacks. 2 bags full.